Hello kids, how are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter 10, adverbs. Okay, let us start now this chapter. Read the following sentences. Number first, we are dashed gracefully. ये कितना सेंटेंस है? Gracefully. उसी तरह, the train will arrive shortly. Train कैसे arrival करती है? Shortly. बहुत है ना? लता sing melodiously. लता कैसे गाना गाती है? Melodiously. And he is walking too fast. वह कैसे चलते हैं? Too fast. Okay. जब मतलब नॉन प्रोनाउन की विशेषता होगी तब क्रियाओं को मतलब जो उनकी एक्टिविटी होती है उसको जब एक नए रूप में परफॉर्मेंस उसके सामने डिस्क्राइब किया जाता है उसी को हम एडवर्ब कहते हैं. ओके. इन द अबव सेंटेंसेस द वर्ड्स ग्रेसफुली, शॉर्टली, मेलोडियसली एंड द टू फास्ट टेल्स अस समथिंग मोर अबाउट वर्ब्स. यही सब क्या कहलाते हैं? हमारे वर्ब्स की क्वालिटी को ही एडवर्ब्स कहा जाता है. ओके. Such words are called adverbs, and adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a words. जो modify किया जाता है verb की meaning को, उसी को adverb कहा जाता है. Okay? Kinds of adverb. Number first है adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tells us how or in what manner an action is done. एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर में यह भी बताता है वो किस तरीके से कार्य किया गया है. एग्जाम्पल, सोल्जर्स फॉट ब्रेवली. तो सोल्जर्स कैसे लड़े? ब्रेवली मतलब बहादुरता के साथ. द एडवर्ब ब्रेवली आंसर द क्वेश्चन फॉट हाउ. द गर्ल्स वॉक क्विकली. क्विकली तो लड़कियां कैसे वॉक कर रही थी? क्विकली. नाउ द एडवर्ब क्विकली आंसर द क्वेश्चन वॉकड हाउ. ओके. तो आंसर आया क्विकली. Some examples of the adverb of the manners are badly, sadly, truly, happily, and easily. Okay. Now, adverbs of place. Adverb of the place tells us where or at what place an action is done. जहाँ पर जगह के मतलब किस जगह पर कार्य किया जा रहा है उसी को हम adverb of places कहते हैं. Example, they marched forward. The adverb forward answer the questions marched where. कहाँ हुआ था? तो हमने बोला forward, पीछे की तरफ से. The truck goes there. ट्रक कहाँ गया? there, यहाँ. तो the adverb there answer the questions goes where. तो आंसर आया there. Some examples of the adverbs of the places are out, downstairs, here and everywhere. Okay. Next है adverbs of time. Adverb of the time tells us when or at what time an action is done. किस समय पर, जिस समय पर कार्य किया गया उस समय को जब बताता है उसी को हम कहते हैं adverb of time. Example, train is departing soon. ट्रेन जल्दी ही चली जाएगी. The adverb soon answer the questions departing when. तो आंसर है soon. Okay. Next है we shall go there tomorrow. The adverb tomorrow answer the questions go where. Answer is called tomorrow. Some examples of the adverbs of the time are early, that, now, and today. Next is adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of the frequency tells us how often or how frequently an action is done. Example है we seldom watch TV these days. The watch seldom answer the questions watch, how often. I go to the temple regularly. The word regularly answer the questions go, how often. Then answer regularly. Okay. Some example of the adverbs of the frequencies are rarely, once, twice, never, and always. Okay. Next are adverbs of degrees. Adverbs of the degrees tells us how much or in what degrees an action is done. कि कार्य how much कब किया गया मतलब किस तरीके से किया गया. Example, soldiers fought most bravely. Soldiers कैसे लड़े? Most बहुत अधिक वीरता से लड़े. The adverb most answer is the questions how bravely the soldiers fought. Then answer called most बहुत अधिक बहादुरी के साथ लड़े. Next है their house is the quite small. The adverb quite answered the questions how much or what degrees their house is. Some examples of the adverb of the degrees are very, to, almost, fully, and thoroughly. Next है interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs ask questions. Example, when do you, they, when do they come? Next, where do you live? Here the words when and where ask questions. Okay. Some examples of the interrogative adverbs are why, who, what, and how. Okay. Then kids, this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood well. Thank you. Have a nice day.